Hey man, you know where you watch.
Dancehall skilla. Blessed everyone, I'm here again, manners and respect. I'm a people, so here I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when members of the security forces from within the country of Jamaica went to a location within the country of Jamaica. The word warrant had been mentioned in the video. The word search had been mentioned in the video, viewing subscribers. And based on what I see and hear in this whole video, it had me thinking. So here what I'm going to say to people, see? Now my people, I want to make it very clear. I respect law and order. I respect law and order, but if police arrive at a place where someone is at, and if police decide or tell a person at the place that I'm going to search the place, is it okay if the person who's at the place decide to video record what's going on? I mean, wouldn't that be a good type of evidence just in case if anything happen at all? Well, the people, more I look and listen to this video that I'm about to present to you and tell me what to think about this situation. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with my people.
Run.
Jesus Christ! Mighty! What am I looking for?
You don't know, let them look, man, let them look.
Oh my God, Almighty!
Let them look. No. I'm a mother officer. Look, every time when I run, come over here to choose for what? For what? I work with man, brother, what the problem? We don't know what the problem.
Listen.
That, what's she doing? Want to,
No, man, that's not answer my question. You can't ask me a question then. Here you live. Oh my God Almighty, this is the people that like you down here. This is the people that like you down here.
I am
I am like to go to work. Why?
yeah, make them search it.
He want to ask the question, and you know me, I'm going to call it so great. You go, sir, I know so this thing work. It's not so this thing work.
Are you okay? He not to talk to you. Okay, sir, man, I'm not sure.
You don't need to talk to me.
Nah, for me safety, the last time the man grabbed me, you know, I don't see him yet, you know. So I check me from free for my life. The last time he grabbed me and push me in the air to shoot me. I did see him, but I never him. You understand? So for those, I know I'm a pre-officer. They are comply with you, again, when you come and get me and comply, I work with the floor. What are the problem? I'm not going to argue with them, I'm not trying to keep them cool. Just in the safety officer.
You tell the police them say you can't use mic. So, morning, sir. So, my your phone.
As we fly back in the country, we don't come on my yard. Never watch the riches. Never watch the riches. Work hard feet 25 phone card it start from. You understand? What you say now? I show from the understand. No one know what's going on, officer. No one know what's going on. Yes, we are business people, officer. We are business people. We're self-employed. What do you mean? What you talking about? What you talking about, officer? We're self-employed. We are talking about the money. Our whole family got to Mexico a while ago. We are talking about just for a 9-day trip. We're not talking about money. I'm not arguing. But money we are talking about this one. Wish list.
You're in the warrant, eh?
Which warrant? We don't have no warrant.
Are you alright?
Where the warrant there? Where the warrant there? Let me see it.
Warrant.
I want to see it. I want to see the warrant. I see it the first time, I'm going to comply.
Yeah, man, you can't say anything with that.
I want to know what the problem.
Yeah, but they are serving.
I'm going to say you the man and go, man.
Me? Me not hide. Me not run. Every day in the past, me, you know. Exactly. But that's actually the second time this you know come on my place and I do me that. I can't tell her that because I saw she stay one son she have. I can't tell her that.
I have read.
I mean, I want to know. I'm not call him to get them. I'm not call them. I comply with them.
Call him.
I comply with them. Them do what them are. Them do what them are.
Explain things for what?
But the warrant them, I want to see the warrant on for me. Warrant for what?
Video.
You can't show it to you now.
Show me.
After.
Show me want to see it now.
You can't show it to you now after. So just relax yourself.
Show after, I don't understand that. What you say, I'm going to show after?
Just say relax yourself. I'm going to start with it.
Don't video, man. Don't video. Just for my safety.
Make sure now video this to the people.
Oh, yes, man. TVF.
Now go like a one boy alone. Take your last thing that I'm a visit. I'm a visit.
Four car we have can carry officer. 4. 14? Wrong information, man.
After 20 years, I know me. And 20 years, we are not business. We glad them know. We glad them know. Put it viral, put it viral.
I am like robots, sir.
They are robots. They are robots and pay the bill when them come here. We know we have it. Who don't kill me have I done? Who don't kill me have I done?
Go on talk to justice. You are justice, go on talk.
You want to see? You want to see?
You want to know?
Come now, go.
Don't have a speech, sir.
Come up on the warrant.
I'm going to search your place. You understand?
Come look on this. Where? Yeah.
Name the planet.
Son of an still the planet.
Good.
But what if I think for him like
Hello,
that?
listen to me now.
Easy there. Yeah.
Hello, step back now, step back now. Lady.
Just touch me.
Yeah, man, step back. Alright, here we are going now.
Yeah.
I'm going to search it.
Come now. No, wait, officer.
Give it to the lady.
Don't grab my phone, officer.
Give it to the lady.
One video.
Hey! Hold this. Come video this. Alive. Video this.
I want
Video.
Yeah,
Hey, let me friend come. Come to your phone. I'm going to put my back and stay in shot. Him not know where I go. Nowhere him never go. Nowhere him never go. You don't worry yourself. It's a video. Don't worry yourself. Everyone know where I go and them come down. They don't have fun. So they have search warrant. Yeah, me can't read. Ask the community. Me cannot read. I mean, him says warrant. So I have to work for the police there. Says warrant. Me can't read. My whole community can tell you. But me have business led. Good at it. We are kill the bad man, drunker than down here. It carried for me. But see me name on it. CJ, tell me I read it.
Right here.
No, I'm a sister. I'm a sister.
Why you create excitement everywhere?
Good. Everywhere I go, we have good sisters on the road and I go split foreign and then place there. I'll go down your salon and then bad mind me. Show me have money more than them. I'll go down your salon. Show me I beat them. Free clan nothing. Me know I want to eat. God, me see this. Me see this to boy. Me see this. This flat, me dream this. Me dream this.
Can't go search a person now. Lady, excuse me now. Lady, excuse me.
Alright, my people, let me make sure I say this because I don't want nothing to get wrong. You see me I say? Me just say it to make it very clear. I am a law-abiding citizen. But I see some things that need a little correcting. You understand me? Now, when it comes on to law enforcers, or should I say police, going at a person's place with a warrant to search the place, I think that once police or law enforcers realize that they are safe, then the warrant should be shown to whosoever own the place or whosoever name is on the warrant first. Notice me say, once law enforcers realize that they are safe, then the warrant should be something that should be presented to whosoever named the warrant or whosoever won the place first. And that's what me think. Please bear in mind, that the situation can happen certain type of ways as well, too, but I'm just telling you what I think should happen, depending on how the situation might happen a certain type of way. See? Now, I'm not saying that all police do that, but it's not the first time I see certain videos posted on social media and see some things that happen that make me wonder if the warrant had been shown first before certain things happen. Alright, that's just one point. When it comes on to the whole video recording thing now, I think that if someone's place is going to be searched, I think it is, well, I'm not going against the rules and the law, but I'm saying that I think that it should be okay for someone to video record what's going on just in case if anything happens. I mean, for example, let's say that situation might end up in court. Wouldn't it be okay if the person who had been accused of something that police might say happened have some form of evidence for his or herself? I mean, let's say, for example, if police is going to search someone's place and the person have surveillance cameras already, what? Are those cameras or a camera that might be inside of the place or at the property should be turned off? I'm just asking. You see what I said? I don't think there should be a problem for someone to video record what's going on and his or her own place. If police say they're going to search a place, I don't think anything should be wrong with that. Because in court, whosoever might be accused of something might need evidence. Saying again, let me say this, I am not against the rules and the laws of my country or any country out there in the world. But some things I may say, I think it need a little correcting. Just a little, you understand me? Because guess what? I believe that without police, the whole thing would be just chaos. So therefore, I'm not against law and order. No, I am not against law and order. I respect rules and law. But I think that there are some things that need a little correcting. Some things that need a little addressing. What's wrong with video recording? That me actually understand. But anyways, You let me know what you think about the whole situation, my people. See me I said? I think here's where I'm going to leave it, you know. Big up and respect to each and every one. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla.